Hello everyone, welcome back to Lexus of Edmonton located on 170th Street. Today we have a 2024 Volkswagen Atlas, a 3-row mid-size SUV built for style, comfort, and capability. The Atlas comes equipped with advanced safety features like emergency braking, adaptive cruise control with stop and go, lane change assist, blind spot monitor, rear cross traffic alert, and a 360-degree camera with park assist. Under the hood is a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine producing 269 horsepower, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission in all-wheel drive. Up front features a bold, redesigned grille with illuminated light bar that seamlessly connects to the LED headlights. This model comes with 21-inch alloy wheels, and heading inside, the door panel features your power windows, mirrors, and door locks. And down below, the trunk release. To the left of the steering wheel, brightness and headlight settings, along with your front and rear defrost. The front seats come heated and ventilated with memory seat settings and lumbar support. The leather-wrapped steering wheel has all your intuitive controls, and above is your digital multi-information display. In the center, you're getting a 12-inch touchscreen, infotainment center with radio, media, navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and you can also view your park assist options and choose any of the 6 drive modes. Below, there's a hidden compartment with sliding door that houses the wireless phone charger and charging ports. You have dual cup holders, your shifter, and electronic parking brake. The center console has additional storage and charging ports, and up above is your rearview mirror, interior touch lighting, and power controls for the tilt and slide panoramic moonroof. Second row passengers can enjoy plenty of leg and headroom, and in the center the climate vents and heated seat options, along with additional charging ports. In between there's a fold-down armrest with cup holders, and the door panel features retractable sunshades. The seats can also be folded down easily to access the third row. In the third row, your passengers have plenty of leg and headroom as well, with some storage cubbies and cup holders. Heading to the back, you get wraparound LED taillights, and into the trunk, you'll notice the third row still up. There's still plenty of space for groceries and smaller items, or you can fold the seats down for larger items like furniture or luggage. Hidden conveniently under the floor is your spare tire, jack, and additional storage, and up above is the close and lock button for the tailgate. So come and see us at Lexus of Edmonton and let us help you drive home in something you truly love.